I'm Shu Shuiyong, head of the technology department at Hongmao Steel Casting. We're a subsidiary of Guangda Special Materials, a publicly listed company, and we specialize in large castings with a strong focus on the wind power industry. 2025 will be a big year for wind power. We're a strategic partner of Mingyang Smart Energy, and our clients also include Windy, Dongfeng Electric, and CSSC, and many others. As competition in the market intensifies, customers are demanding even higher quality standards. Our casting blanks need to meet CT12 dimensional tolerance. To achieve this, we control the size through mold dimensions, sand mold strength, flask rigidity, and various measuring tools such as checking fixtures and gauges. But since our molds are made of wood, they can easily deform, and measuring tools sometimes can't cover every area, which can lead to dimensional problems. With wind and thermal power prices now at the same level, the wind power sector has come under heavy pressure. On top of that, stricter requirements, especially around weight, mean we have to keep wall thickness within limits while still meeting all quality standards. That puts a lot of strain on manual molding work. That's why we've brought 3D scanning into the process. We now use it on molds, sand molds, and castings, which lets us control quality more directly and efficiently. We use the KSCAN X 3D scanner. During the mold making stage for new products, we scan and verify the design before starting production. If we see dimensional deviations during production, we scan the molds to check for deformation. In molding, we scan sand molds and sand cores to confirm flask rigidity. During final inspection, we scan the finished product to make sure it meets customer requirements. In the past, when dimensions were off, we had to rely on experience to analyze the cause. That approach depended heavily on individual skill and on-site knowledge, and mistakes could happen. Now with 3D scanning, we can directly see the actual dimensions of molds, sand cores, and castings. It's much easier to control dimensions, and we rely less on individual expertise. As 3D scanning becomes more deeply integrated into casting, it helps turn abstract control points into measurable data, transforming experience-based judgments into big data and driving modernization across the industry. We'll continue our close collaboration with Scanology, exploring new applications of 3D scanning in production and doing our part to contribute to intelligent manufacturing.